Hot Wheels update. So it's filled with a lot of Hot Wheels 5 packs. So now you have the X Racers there, you have the Track Builder, you have the HW Flames. This set actually has that Impala which everyone is looking for. This is the Impala. That is a very nice casting. And apart from that, this is actually a new Hot Wheels 5 pack, that is the HW Drag Strip. I wouldn't call it new, but it is relatively new compared to others. Then you have the HW Drift. It has a lot of cool cars. So you have the 13 Ford Mustang, 17 Camaro, Bulletproof, Custom 18 Ford Mustang and Nissan Silvia. So this has only one fantasy casting and you can buy it, it's up to you. So again, look how many 5 packs do they have. And there are the other OG 5 packs like the Mopar and the other ones. You have the Mopar here. So which I just said, this is the Mopar here. Again, this is a very nice cool set. And apart from that, they do have that HW Remote Adventures. And Hamleys only has 5 packs as of now. And I asked like many employees and they're like, they do not have any idea for Hot Wheels single pieces, which is little sad. But overall, look how many 5 packs do they have here. So it's filled with a lot of 5 packs. And they do have a lot of options, and you can pick in how many of the numbers you want, and the friends that they're missing you can go give it to them too. So apart from Hot Wheels, they do have the Majorette here. So they have the Majorette 5 pack here, that is the Dream Cars Italy. This is actually available online for 25% off. So look how nice these are. And there are the other brands. So there are the other brand 5 packs here. So this is the Hot Wheels 5 packs rack filled with a lot of them, and you can buy as much as you want, and there are so many here. So moving on, they do have the other brands here. So the main attraction here after the Hot Wheels 5 pack is the Majorette sets. So they have a lot of them here. So this is in fact a very short video to give you all an update about Hot Wheels. So this was it, guys. So we do not know when Hot Wheels will be coming back at Hamleys, but they do have the other brands which is here, so which is very cool. And there's a lot of remote control toys, I must say. So this was the update. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. This is a very small video where I wanted to give you an update about Hot Wheels. So hopefully we find it one day. So this was it, guys. So see you guys in my next video.